In this video, we're working inside Siemens Process Simulate with a Fanuc cooperative robot setup. We'll go through 3 key steps: running the simulation, downloading the robot program, and uploading it back to the controller. This example focuses on concurrent robotic operation, specifically a synchronized type. Here, 2 robots start and end each operation at the same time, synchronized with the slowest robot. There are no geometrical constraints between the robot paths. Once the setup is complete, a single LS program file is generated. This file contains all coordinates for both robots, the rail value, and the servo gun value, all combined into one location. The result is 2 paths and 1 concurrent robotic operation, perfectly matched to the positions of the original program's motions. This workflow makes it possible to streamline robot coordination and ensure precise execution in complex production scenarios. Want to learn more? Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok for more Process Simulate tips and tricks. And feel free to contact me if you want to take your knowledge to the next level.